we have the best man and the maid of honor. Best man Alexander Jacobson.
Siya yung best man, right?
Yeah, behind our principal sponsors. Sorry about that, sir. Next, we have the maid of honor. Please accompany Mr. Alexander Jacobson. We have Florence Joy Sandoval. Yeah. And we also have partner Leo Hernandez and Divine Sandoval. We have Leo Hernandez and Divine Sandoval. Alright, and Sidner Hernandez and Clary Joy Sandoval. We also have James Sandoval and Micaela Barcelona. Next to them, we have Aldrich John Hernandez and Lynn Sandoval. Also, Seven Sal